Best wall mount toilet paper holder review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular toilet paper holders in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this wall mount holder so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set it up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the toilet paper holder from Treeland Store. This holder can hold paper rolls of up to 4.92 inches. The large stainless steel knob at the end prevents the paper roll from falling off. It's made from high quality stainless steel to protect against corrosion and rust, and is ideal for humid environments such as the bathroom or the kitchen. It has a unique slot design with screw tightening on the bracket to prevent rotation, so that there's no more wobbling or dropping off. This stays firmly in place regardless if you install it horizontally or vertically. It's really easy to set up and all the mounting screws are included. To check out the full specs of the Treeland Store toilet paper holder and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/wall-mount-toilet-paper. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to set it up. So there you have it, the toilet paper holder from Treeland Store. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the set, and how easy it is to get it going, we feel that this toilet paper holder is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Treeland Store toilet paper holder and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/wall-mount-toilet-paper. Alright, thank you for watching.